This is a species of flatback millipede from the genus Anapledesmus. There are over 40 described species of this genus. These millipedes are found in China, Nepal, Fiji, Mascarene Islands, India, and Southeast Asia. They are from the order Polydesmida. Millipedes are classified as myriapods, which means they are related to centipedes and others. They are invertebrates, which means they have no bones. Instead, they have an exoskeleton. These millipedes do not have eyes and vary in length from 3 mm to 120 mm. These millipedes have up to 20 segments as adults, and juveniles have up to 7 to 19 segments. They have 2 pairs of legs per body segment. Unlike their name suggests, millipedes do not have 1,000 legs. Unlike centipedes, millipedes are not active predators and are omnivorous. They mostly eat decaying plant matter, but they would also feed on dead creatures, so they are decomposers. Anapledesmus millipedes secrete hydrogen cyanide from their segments when attacked. The chemical has an almond smell to it. The amount secreted isn't strong enough to seriously harm a human, but may cause burns and blisters and can stain the skin. But it is lethal to bird and rodents. That's why they have bright colors to warn predators. Scientists have found that millipedes are immune to cyanide because they are able to convert it into harmless chemicals. They also curl up into a ball when threatened. Millipedes live in damp areas. They are found in gardens and sewers with a lot of hiding spaces. Since millipedes are decomposers, they play a vital part in soil health. After their food is digested, it is released as feces. This gives nutrients to the soil, which makes them fertile so plants can grow. So this means millipedes help sustain forest ecosystems. Humans depend on millipedes for their ability to recycle and renew the environment. However, deforestation and land desertification have caused various millipede species to become endangered. Millipedes live in damp and humid places. Because of deforestation, humid places can dry up and become deserted. Another cause of decline of millipede species is the use of pesticide in agriculture. These chemicals seep into the soil and are released in the water. These chemicals can be toxic to millipedes. Furthermore, the trafficking and releasing of species from different ecosystems can cause an imbalance to the current ecosystem. This may lead to the millipede population either rising or declining rapidly. So what can we do to stop the decline of some species of millipedes and save the forests? For instance, we can halt deforestation by recycling paper and substitute electronic devices instead of paper. Secondly, we can stop the use of pesticides in gardens and farms. Lastly, we can enforce bigger punishments on trafficking and releasing invasive animals into an ecosystem. Millipedes have survived on Earth for millions of years, so we have to ensure future generations can witness and learn about these arthropods. That's all for my presentation. I hope you enjoyed this presentation about Anapledesmus millipedes. I'll see you next time.